Hi, my beautiful aspirants. Welcome to my 24 hours routine. In other words, a day in my life. Let's start with economics. By now, you must be knowing relationship between me and economics. Lol. So, I am doing theory of demand and supply. I am done with this chapter way back, so I thought of rereading the whole chapter. It has 3 units, and I think, guys, Kolkata's weather are having mood swings. Look at the weather now. It is so damn sunny. And now, in few minutes, I'll show you the condition. So I have shown you the condition of Kolkata. Coming back to the video, I am back with economics. Now I am doing the second unit of the same chapter. Later, with my black tea, I'll complete the third unit as well.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days
Around 4 p.m., I sat with accounts. Today, I was fully in mood to complete partnership. Partnership of accounts or law, both chapters are time taking. माफ़ कर दो गाइस, ऐसे पैर ऊपर करके बैठ के आई कांट सिट लाइक अ प्रॉपर स्टूडेंट घर पे, सो डोंट जज. चाय ठंडी हो गई थी ऑलमोस्ट, एंड द सैड पार्ट इज आई एम टेकिंग वन सम फ्रॉम मॉड्यूल एंड दिस टेकिंग ऑलमोस्ट माई 20 to 30 minutes. It needs more practice. Actually, the sums are quite lengthy, so obviously it take time. So the trouble part here is एग्ज़ाम हॉल में अगर इतने टाइम एक एक सम्स के पीछे लगा दूंगी तो आई बी इन ट्रबल. आई कैन बी इन ट्रबल. इसलिए प्रैक्टिस करके अभी से ही स्पीड बढ़ा दे रहे. Hi guys, sorry to interrupt you all in the middle of this video. I just want you all to give a quick update that I have completed partnership economics and I had made a tagda wala to-do list for today, but sadly I could not complete the whole thing. But I'm not gonna give up. I'll do it even if it takes the whole night. I am gonna complete it cause exams आने वाला है. And one more thing, am I the only one suffering? जैसे कि एग्ज़ाम्स आता है तो वैसे नींद बहुत आता है, एंड जैसे एग्ज़ाम्स चला जाएगा रात को 2 बजे तक 3 बजे तक नींद ही नहीं आएगा. ये जलन है, जलन. जेलस पीपल. आई स्वेयर, अगर एक स्लीप अगर कोई इंसान होता ना, इतना मारते. कितना आता है यार एग्ज़ाम टाइम में. ऐसा अच्छा लगता है क्या फालतू. खैर, ये मेरा फ्रस्ट्रेशन था, बट ऐसी मैं हूँ नहीं गाइस. और पानी पियो. हाइड्रेशन इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. आवाज़ आ रहा है तो उसको इग्नोर कर दो. चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं वापस वीडियो से. अभी जस्ट पार्टनरशिप कंप्लीट हुआ है, सो थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लेके फिर बैठूंगी. केस स्टडी सॉल्व करूंगी आज पक्का. As you can see, I have just sat with my law doing Negotiable Instrument Act, basically revising the whole chapter. Sad part guys, since I didn't purchase a new book, I am studying with a printout, and as I said in my earlier videos that I have completed this chapter. While revising, I saw a certain portion that I found important and I skipped that part unknowingly. So that's why I had to watch lectures and make notes for that. Thank God I found my error and I could rectify it on time. Otherwise, it would have been a regret for me. Yeah, I don't understand why I record all this stuff of having puchka and all that. While recording, now giving voice over, I can't explain you guys. मेरा कितना मन कर रहा है कि मैं वापस पुचका खाऊं. Puchka is something you can't, ignore. For my law subject, I had watched lectures of Ultimate CA, and this was my first time watching her lectures. And this ma'am teaches so well, I could understand each and every concept of this chapter. I am grateful that I found her videos online. And if you having any trouble in your law subject, do watch her videos. She teaches very well and हिंदी में बोलती है और बहुत अच्छे से कॉन्सेप्ट समझाएगी, तो आपको ईजी वे में काफ़ी अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा. ऑल्सो आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड ऑन दिस, जब से हमारे CA में न्यू स्कीम आए हैं तब से काफ़ी न्यू टॉपिक्स ऐड ऑन हुए हैं एंड ऑनलाइन आपको काफ़ी मिल जाएंगे जो आपको पढ़ाते हैं. मेरा यहाँ फॉल्ट हुआ था कि अर्लियर व्हेन आई वाज लर्निंग दिस कॉन्सेप्ट मैं कहीं और से कर रही थी एंड व्हाट ही डिड इज़ बेसिकली एक्सक्लूडेड दैट न्यू पोर्शन जो कि इम्पॉर्टेंट है एंड मैंने अब नोटिस किया. सो आई डोंट वांट यू ऑल टू रिपीट. अगर आप कहीं से क्लासेस कर रहे हैं मेक श्योर कि फुल्ली कॉन्सेप्ट समझाया जाए एंड ये मैम ने फुल्ली न्यू पार्ट को भी इंक्लूड किया है अपने वीडियोज़ में, which is why I am recommending you all to watch her lectures. In case you are doing self-study like me, you might have been missing some points. So, in case you do, watch her lectures. Few minutes ago, I told you all that I had made a Tagda wala to-do list for today, which is true, but mishappening happened. I had just shared with you all, and this took 2-3 hours of mine. And I am glad that I completed the whole chapter, understood the whole concept very well. Even if it takes time, I don't mind that. But हुआ क्या कि मेरे टू डू लिस्ट में 2 चैप्टर और इंक्लूडेड थे which I couldn't complete it because after that I got extremely tired and it's fine. रात भी हो गया था. So I thought of just excluding it from my to-do list. I'll just show you all. I have excluded law, ICA and TVM, which I'll pakka say do it tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and support to my channel. Bye bye.